I love my hair, Melissa. It's just so beautiful and natural, and your shop is beautiful. You have nice customers. Thank you.
So are you going to enjoy your new do?
Yes, I am. I love it. I might even get another one.
What do you like most about the hair?
It feels soft and natural. It smells good, and it looks good.
Okay. Was I professional?
Yes, you are.
Did I allow you to rake me over the coals and I
Yes, you
said
did.
nothing?
And I'm not done yet.
Well, thank you so much for coming in, and it was a joy to service you. Your hair is absolutely gorgeous. Let me just show everybody. Let me just show everybody.
Are you gonna show this to what's her name when she comes in?
Yeah.
That girl that was here, sir.